Hi everyone, this is Rambab. Today I am going to teach separator performance. So in this separator performance, we are taking here separator motor RPM 600 RPM and gearbox ratio 3.15, and which is final product of blades 3000 centimeter square per gram, and this is separating air amount 25,000 meter cube per hour. It is we can take from separator vent to which is going to duct to back filter fan process back filter, and we have to take rotary dia and rotor height, and we can find out the feed to separator, and which is going to ace ready to separator feed, that is 35 tph and product 15 tons per hour. And we can classification of separator uh, two ways. One is air load and another one is rotor values. So first of all we have to discuss about air load values. In this air load value, we have to find out separator air load, and second one is separator air load 2. In this separator air load 1, we will take to we add this calculation feed to separation. So which is how much feed to separator, this called which how much ton per hour is going to feed to separator 35 tph. So 35 into here this one 35 into 35 into, and we have to calculate per kg into 1000 divided by how much your flow getting there in duct, that is amount air of amount 25,000, that is equal to 1.43 kg per meter cube. So in this how much you got? 1.4 kg per meter cube. So our recommendation value is 2.5 kg per meter cube. So our value is 1.4 kg per meter cube. Recommendation value is 2.5 kg. So it is less than to recommendation value. So what we will do, what we will finalize and analyze, that is called low feed, and that means it's low feed, and that is increase feed to separator. It is the mill is required, the mill asking for more feed, so increase feed to separator. And second one is separator air load 2, that is product, how much you are getting? 15 tph. 15 again 15 tph converted to kg divided by flow, that means we are getting here 0.6 kg per meter cube. So actually this recommendation value is 0.75 kg per meter cube. So it is nearly to recommendation value, which is we got calculation. So product and circulatory load is okay, so we can finalize that one. And next one, rotor values. In this rotor values we have to classification circumferential speed, and second one air speed through rotor, and third one is specific rotor load. In this first one is circumferential speed, that is which are we given to here, pi into rotor dia into rotor height divided by 60, that is 9.97 meter cube per seconds we got. And we are getting here 9.97 meter cube per second. Our recommendation value is 5.35 meter per second. So 5 to 5 to 35 meter per second, sorry, 5 to 35 meter per second. So it is nearly to in between range of we got 9.9 meter per second. So our circumferential speed is okay, so we can finalize that one. And air speed through rotor, that is air speed through rotor. So we can imagine that one. Just imagine in your mind air speed through rotor, separator airflow divided by pi into rotor dia and rotor height divided by 3600. So we are getting air speed through rotor, speed means velocity, 2.2 meter per second. Our recommendation value is 4 meter per second. So it is nearly we are getting a value to recommendation value. So rotor to air is okay. And specific rotor load, that product TPH, which is 15 divided by pi into rotor dia into rotor height, rotor dia 1 meter, rotor height 1 meter. So we are getting here 4.77 tons per hour meter square. So specific rotor load recommendation value is 10 to 12 tons per hour meter square. So it is less than recommendation value, which is we got this value. Recommendation value is 2 to 12 tons per hour meter square. We got here 4.77 tons per hour meter square. So it means low load on separator. Low load on separator. See here low feed and here low load. So that means the mill is required sufficient feed and sufficient separator load. So I think all our experts got my concept. And this one, this concept is separator performance, which is we separator a loads, separator a load values, rotor values. So air values is required and rotor parameters are required, and which is you want to, this is main recommendation value. This main recommendation value you have to keep it in mind. And find out the parameters and do calculation. Practice, do practice, and find out which is the low feed, which is cyclotin load is more, and low load, which is high load on separator, and uh, we have to increase separator and decrease as per your which is you got from calculation. Thank you for watching this video, and be participant with my videos. Thank you.